Is it just me, or a lot of call center applicants don't know how to type properly? And it also seems to be the case with some of the tenured reps. I'm looking at you, Patrick 5310. Because I'm telling you, it's not difficult. Learning how to type properly is hands down the least of your worries when it comes to your call center application. You can learn to type fast and properly without looking at the keyboard in as early as 2 weeks. Instead of typing like this, X, P, 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 delivery date is you're going to be typing like this. The expected delivery date is October 19, 2022. Okay. What is proper typing? Proper typing is not just about typing fast, although that is an eventual byproduct of it, but it's also about being able to type without looking at the keyboard, because all 10 fingers from both hands are each assigned specific keys based on their position on the keyboard. This way, your right hand stays on the right and your left hand stays on the left. No crisscrossing, no fumbling. It's like giving your fingers their own brain. So here's my demonstration on how you can practice proper typing. So on google.com, type in free typing test. As you can see, there are pages after pages of free typing sites. All you gotta do is take a pick. Let's pick this one, howtotype.com. Before your practice, I recommend that you take a test to show your typing speed before and after your practice. In fact, let me take a typing speed for a while and show you my results. Start, and it's quite easy and enjoyable when you have learned to do it correctly. And here's my result. It's 80 words per minute. It's not bad for call center standards. Most call centers require a typing speed of 25 to 40 words per minute, depending on the account. Now that you know your typing speed, let's head over to the practice page. Click Home Row Lesson. Here, you learn the home row. The first principle of touch typing is to always return your fingers to the home row when you are not typing anything. So these keys are your base. A, S, D, F, J, K, L, semicolon. If that confuses you, look for the mark on your keyboard. On my keyboard, for example, there's the physical bump installed on keys F and J. As long as I feel that bump, I know that my fingers are in the right place. And from there, your middle, ring, and pinky fingers should fall into place. So first, the lesson is going to focus on your right, then your left hand. You're going to be asked to repeatedly press 1 to 3 buttons to commit the key placement to muscle memory.
JJJ space, KKK space, KKK space. JJJ, FFF, JJJ, FFF, JJJ, FFF, KKK.
Boring, right? But hang in there. You're going to thank yourself in 2 weeks. Next, the top row. And the bottom row. And the capitalization. And the punctuation, the numbers lesson, the symbols. You're not going to have any problem understanding because they're are instructions and they're very clear and detailed, so you'll have no problem understanding everything that you need to do. And if at any point you feel bored, head on over to games from time to time.
Ah, shit. Yay! It's just gonna keep going faster and faster, and I can't even keep up anymore. Oh my god. The semicolon really trips me up. Yay!
So the key here obviously is consistency. Do not expect anything if you're only going to do this for one day. You're probably going to get some level of mastery within a week, but I recommend that you do this for 2 weeks, at least 5 days a week, or better yet, 14 days. But I don't have a computer at home. Then I suggest that you head to an internet cafe, invest some of your time and some of your money, because typing is something that you're going to be doing on a daily basis. Every hour of your call center life, you're going to be typing. So if it only takes 2 weeks to master it, then there really is no reason for you to still be typing with your 2 fingers. And there's one comment here saying, typing speed isn't everything. Being quick to diagnose what the customer needs, superb at documentation, and hyper reliable will likely offset your ineptitude on the keyboard. In other words, brains and maturity win out. Well, to some degree, I do agree with this. If I have to choose between being able to solve problems efficiently and being able to type, I would choose the ability to solve problems every time. But then again, we are not in a situation where we have to only choose one. Why not both? 2 things could be true at once. You can be a great problem solver, and you could also be a great typist. So I do hope that you give this a try. It's only going to take 2 weeks of practice, but the benefit is going to last forever.